Hello everyone, this is Sara, and I wanted to take a moment to explain to you what Yoga Nidra is, and if it works, how it works, what are you supposed to do before you call me when you have an appointment for Yoga Nidra. And so here it goes. Yoga Nidra is an ancient sleep-based meditation. What does it mean? We all know how to go to sleep, so we feel safe going to sleep. We know how to do it, it's familiar. So when we fall asleep, it's when we've let go of our thoughts. So in Yoga Nidra, you will pretty much lie down on your back, support yourself with maybe a bolster, maybe a blanket or a pillow under your knees, a thin padding under your head. You want to cover your eyes to diminish or reduce distractions. Also, maybe a tissue eye pillow. If you're a yogi, then you know what the eye pillow is. It's just a tiny little pillow for the eyes and to darken the eyes, and it's really comfortable. And then you cover the body because your temperatures will drop, because in Yoga Nidra, you are asked to remain still and motionless, awake and alert, and listen to the voice of the practitioner who's guiding you. So if you have heard of Russian dolls, you know, there's 5 little dolls into each other if you open them up. So there's 5 of them, right? And so according to yoga, we have 5 bodies and not just one. So the only one that we see is our physical body. And then we have subtle causal bodies around us that go that way and up, you know, just all around us, all right? So there's 5 bodies, and each one needs to be healed and cleansed and purified. And that's exactly what we do during each Yoga Nidra. It's the deep meditation. Oftentimes we lose kind of a touch with time. We don't even know how long we were in hypnosis, in Yoga Nidra. So it's wonderful, it's loving, it's really energizing. When you finish Yoga Nidra, you feel amazing. So sometimes after a Yoga Nidra session, we kind of feel drowsy, or we just kind of feel uncentered. That just means all kinds of stuff came up for you to release. It's the release of unwanted energy from eons, right? From lifelong, just they come in and they go. We want to just escort them out through exhalation and just simply repeating, doing another Yoga Nidra practice. That's all it means. So I hope to see you. And oh, one last thing is, Yoga Nidra could never be done wrong. It's easy and simple. You can practice Yoga Nidra just simply leaning back into a chair, a couch, lie down on your bed. You know, if it's not available for you to go to the floor and lie on the back, that's okay. You can do Yoga Nidra anywhere, anytime. Main thing is that you want to focus and remain still and motionless. And I've had clients who actually walked slowly as they listened to my guidance, and it worked. And eventually they were able to relax enough to lie down on their backs. So anyone can do Yoga Nidra. It's lovely. I hope to see you. And then the whatever issues that you would like to turn around, whatever area of your life that may not be working for you right now, we will focus on that in a personal session. As you set up the session, we will access that, we'll address that issue with your own words. We will create a custom intention, because all Yoga Nidras also have an intention plugged in, so that the mind will be focused on the intention. The higher self comes in. It's a very beautiful, sacred, spiritual, loving and positive experience. So I think I explained it enough. However, if you have any other questions, you just want to talk about it, by all means, email, call, text. I'm here to answer. Namaste. Thank you for being here. I'll see you soon.